If you're looking for an affordable, creative way to gift something to dad this year, check out this Dollar Tree DIY that will go up in flames. I saw this awesome grill idea on TikTok, so I wanted to recreate and give you guys some printables and step-by-step instructions. Here are all the supplies you will need from the Dollar Tree. You will need these extra large black mixing bowls. You will need 2 of those, and then you'll need 1 of these cooling racks. You'll also need some black zip ties. I got the smallest size to hold the 2 bowls together. And then you'll also need some wooden dowels, and you can get the long ones and just cut them in half, or you can use the foam brush handles if you don't have a saw. So, and you'll also need a circle wooden base to place your grill on top. And then I have some tissue paper. I chose some gray for my reveal. And then I have a hardware cabinet handle. And then I got some jar lids. And then I got some red shredded tissue paper. And the tools that I'll be using to put this together is my hot glue gun and some glue sticks. I have scissors, a black marker utility knife, and I have these wire cutters. They're pretty standard, but they cut through the wire pretty good. And I have a weeding tool and some double foam tape. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the stickers and clean the surface of the bowls. And then we're going to take that cooling rack and we're going to place it on top of the bowl. And we're going to take our black marker and we are going to trace where we're going to cut the wires so we can make the grill fit inside of the bowl. And if you have some garden shears, those will probably work better than these wire cutters. For the center of the wires, they're pretty thin, so they cut pretty easily. It's just the thicker wires that go around and the 3 that's going down the center, those are a little bit harder to cut. So what I did is just pinch them and then I will put them back and forth until they broke off. So I was able to cut all the skinny center lines really well with these wire cutters. And then it came out like this, and I was able to dry fit it. And when I was cutting, I did it right at the line so it can be nice and snug inside the bowl. And next I took my weeding tool and I marked where I wanted to put my zip ties through to hold these 2 bowls together. And I just made sure that I poked it through carefully, making the hole as big as I can for the zip tie to go through. And I put the bowls up together so I can make sure that the holes are in the same spot on each side of the bowls. And then I just took the zip tie and I strung it through and then I closed it up. And you want to make sure that you don't tighten it super tight because you want these bowls to be able to open and close. I think I did mine a little bit too tight, but I was able to loosen it up, thankfully. So you want to give it just a little bit of slack for you, so you can test it, so you can see if you can open and close it. And then you just cut off the rest of the slack of the zip tie. And then next after that, we are going to put our handle on top. So I just got the hot glue gun and I dropped it down in the hole so it can fill up. And then I placed it right on top and in the center of the top lid. And then now we're going to work on the base, and I have the wooden circle. And then if you have a saw to cut those wooden dowels, you can do that so it can be taller. But I'm just using the wooden handles off the foam brushes, and I'm filling in the circle with some hot glue. And then I'm putting extra hot glue on one side so it can go out at an angle. So all these legs that I put around, I'm spacing them out to make a triangle, and then I'm placing more glue under one side so they will point outwards, and I'm going to hold it until it's completely dry so it won't fall over while the hot glue is still warm. So once you have that done, it should look like this. You can see that the hot glue, there's more in the center, and that makes your wooden legs pop out more at an angle. And next, I have my printables. You can download these for free at ginacreates.com. There will be a link under this video in the description, and you just cut those out, and they're the perfect size for this grill that you can make from the Dollar Tree. So next, we are going to apply my family photo in the center, and this circle is just 6.5 inches long, but you can even make it bigger, I think up to 8 inches, and it should fit just fine. And then I placed the banner under my family photo. And then I got some ribbon so I can have the lid stay open and not fall all the way over. So I put hot glue on the inside, and then I put the ribbon on the outside of the lid. And then next, I'm getting a sheet of tissue paper, and I'm applying a thin line of glue around the lid. And then I'm just going to do a little bit at a time because the hot glue can dry pretty fast. And I'm just doing it in sections going all the way around. And you only need to add this tissue paper if you want to do the flame reveal. I know a lot of people aren't comfortable with flames. I'm barely comfortable with fires. I don't really like candles in my house. But remember, you're always supposed to take the proper precautions when you're handling an open flame and never leave it unattended. So next you would just trim off that tissue paper, and then you would use the double-sided foam tape to place these on top of the grill. And then you will take that jar lid and add some hot glue around the lid and place it on top in the front. And then you add that grill master label to the front of the grill and fill it with your husband's favorite treats. And then you can pop that grill right in the center and make sure it's nice and snug. And now you're all done creating a unique gift basket for Dad on Father's Day. I hope you guys like this Dollar Tree DIY and you visit Gina C Creates for these free printables. And make sure if you are doing the flame reveal that you take your necessary precautions and you have a fire extinguisher handy. And if you're not comfortable with the flame reveal, you can still gift it to Dad without the tissue paper, and it will be a great surprise for him. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and visit GinaCCreates.com.